I'm fine. What about you, Rishi? How are you doing?
Yeah, great, great. Cool. What's going on, brother?
Nothing special. Just nowadays looking for a job and working on
Okay,
YouTube.
okay. From which state you are?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, you are from Madhya Pradesh. Where do you live in Madhya Pradesh?
I live in Indore city.
Okay, I heard the name of Indore. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cleanest city of India. Number one cleanest.
Okay, so what's your profession? What are you doing?
As I told you that nowadays looking for a job.
Okay, so from which background you are?
I'm looking for like as a customer care executive in a BPO industry.
Okay, since how many times you are living in Indore?
It's been like it's going to be completed 29 years.
Okay, I am also from Indore, brother.
Where do you live?
76 Archana Nagar, Marimata side.
76. Okay, I live in 78 Vizanagar.
Okay, Vijayanagar. Yeah, because do you know one thing that there is a lots of major updates come that when you go to the Vijayanagar and when I live in the Sangam Nagar sites. So there is a changes and what we can say difference of the quality and the standards.
Yeah, exactly. So
That's the
much.
reason.
I
Yeah, because of that.
I haven't been in Sangam Nagar, but just I've heard. I don't know like how is it in your area.
No, yeah, actually, it's mean that yeah, because of that there is in the what we can say that we live in the western side, na, west side of the Indore. So there is a what we can say that lack of the development completed here. But nowadays it is going on. So after the, do you know about the what we can say that super corridor?
Yeah, super guide or no.
Super corridor is behind of my house, and now there is a tech companies are also coming.
Yeah,
So
it's
that
good.
will help me for working good.
So are you working?
No, yaar, I am the student. I am in the third year. Yaar.
Oh,
I am
but
pursuing software engineering degree.
okay, you are doing great thing. You will get a good job.
Arey, brother, what I am telling to you, yaar, in Indore, I am also basically from Indore. I have completed loads of 40 years. I think so. Yeah, my grandparents from the Indore. So nowadays I know very well about the condition what is going in our Indore, yaar. Because that's why yaar, we are I am doing a lots of hard work to get a particular job as like an internship also.
Okay, like as you are doing engineering in computer science, so you don't have to work in Indore city. Like to be honest, live it Indore because I have many friends that who left Indore just because of this because they are not getting enough salary in Indore city. They are software engineers. They are getting at least one lakh rupees per month. In other city, but here they were getting only 32,000, 40,000 rupees or less than
Yeah,
50,000 rupees.
yeah, but basically, brother, you know very well, yeah, why I am looking here for doing the job because of that I want to get the experience.
Okay, so first, join an internship like they would be better for you at least for 1 or 2 years because there is a friend of mine like who did internship for 3 years and then after he got a job of 1 point, like he is getting 1.5 lakh rupees, like
Okay,
1.88 thousand rupees in hand. Sorry,
okay. So you are also in the software field or not?
I know like I couldn't do engineering due to financial issue at the time, but I've only done BCom, so that's reason.
Okay, I no any problem, brother. Your English is so good, yeah. So now, what's your age?
What do you think?
I think so. Yeah, 25 something.
Yeah, close to 29, like 2 months are remain.
You don't look like a 29. Yeah. You have a lots of experience in your life.
Yeah, 5 years of
No, yeah,
experience in BPO industry.
okay, no, no, you can share. No, yeah. Do you use brother Instagram?
Yeah, I run an Insta broken page.